In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to save an invoice template in FreshBooks. So let's get started. So here we are in FreshBooks, and from here what we want to do is that we want to go here into invoices and go into recurring templates. And this is where we can save our invoice template in FreshBooks, so we can just repeatedly send that and edit it as we need so that we don't have to start from scratch. So from here, click on new recurring template. And then you'd have this invoice right here that you could customize. So I'm going to delete this image and add my logo in here. And then most importantly, you want to select your client in here. And then you could now add more details. So like for example, here, I would want to add my service, editing service, and then you could always add more if needed. You can enter the name, the rate, and then the quantity, and then the discount, and many more right here. So make sure that you have added everything, every info that is needed in your invoice. And then you could also customize the invoice style. You could make it a recurring schedule, so it will be sent automatically. You could set reminders, charge late fees, so the price would increase if it is late, and so on. And yeah, basically, once you are satisfied with everything in here, then now you could click here and save on the top right. And then you would automatically have this email right here. So this is where this invoice will be sent. Basically, if you don't have anything right here, you want to make sure that your client details in here, when you click on edit client, has the email address right here. So this is automatically detected by FreshBooks, and this is where it will automatically be sent. So make sure that you have the details right here on your client. And click here and save. And then once you're done, click on save. And now, as you can see, recurring template has been saved. So from here, as you can see, it says auto send, so it is set into auto send and it is in every month. You could also not auto send it and you would want it to be manual. You could also set that option in there in the settings. But yeah, basically this is the template now that we have just saved, and when we click on it, we can always edit it right here if needed, if there are any changes that need to be made for this template. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.